crypto, speed matters, but trust matters more. At Caleb & Brown, you're never on your own. We connect you with your own personal broker and a 24/7 team, ready to help you buy, sell, or swap over 250 digital assets with one flat, transparent fee. No spreads, no slippage, no hidden costs. Get the best market prices through deep, aggregated liquidity executed by our professional trading desk. Your funds are secured with institutional-grade cold storage for total peace of mind. Track every move in real time with our intuitive client portal, anywhere, anytime. Whether you're trading as an individual, trust, or business, we give you speed, security, and peace of mind. Thousands of clients in over 100 countries already trust Caleb & Brown. Visit calebandbrown.com and start your personalized crypto journey today.
Disclaimer! Not financial advice! We're not liable for any personal financial decisions! This is meant to be for entertainment purposes only. Thank you! How's everybody's Wednesday going? Yeah, it's almost over, man. If you guys haven't been here before, or you have, please smash that golden like button, bro. We also have the subscribe button. Yeah, ring-a-ding-ding. Yeah, ring-a-ding-ding. And with that subscribe button, you can find us over there on this lovely red and white YouTube background. But if you're over on this green and white and lighter green and white Rumble and Kick platforms, we're over there too. What? There was a darker black platform out there on X. Yes, I'm talking to you guys. Smash that like, hit that follow, or heart, or whatever it is. The arrows that go together. Get that arrow. It looks like this in the bottom corner, and click that button and just repost it. Do what I mean, not what I say. Welcome in, everybody, to another episode of Wednesday Special. Clickety, clickety, clackety, clack. DZ, yo, can you check out THQ for me? Did you take profits on that, DZ? All right, I got kind of swamped earlier today. I should have told you. When you sent that to the group, I actually went in there to take a look at it, see if I can make a scalp trade on it. By that point, I was like, I think it's already played its move out. And so I never entered into it. And then I came back a couple hours later, and I saw you message me back. I was like, I wish I saw that earlier. Like, I hope you took profits, man. That was my bad. I dropped the ball. What's up, Vision Fast Pulse Fat Boy, a.k.a. the Pepe? XOP up for 12% for the year, and Pepe up 68%. That's funny because I swore I bought it like a year and a half ago at like 30 cents. So, where's John Ban the Fool last week in my stream? Where is John? I banned that fool last week in my stream. Oh, yeah, that's so funny, man. You're cracking me up. Yo, what's up, Muffhead? I got an Legion Juice Dust. And we're going to pop a little ASMR pop-up on the stream. Ooh, that was spicy, man. Did you guys hear that? That's pretty good. No glasses today, man. Just straight out of the can. Now, cheers to everybody out there. Hope you're having a good week. I'm having a good week, man. We make the best of it, and we roll the dice and go with the flow. Anybody out there, whoever shouted the heater core with my van, that was the problem. It was the problem. They quoted me $2,200. I'm probably going to do it because it's the family vehicle. And I don't feel like farting around with the airbags. I do a lot of the mechanical stuff, but I don't want to pull out the airbag. I don't want to pull out the shifter. I don't want to pull out the whole dash and put it back together. They said it was a 10-hour job or whatever they were working on. I was like, man, that sucks, dude. That just sucks just to get to the heater core to replace it. So I ended up giving up. Oh yeah, I haven't responded back. I wasn't sure if you even meant to send that to me, Muffhead. What was I saying? So yeah, it was heater core. So between tires cost me $1,500, and the heater core cost me $2,300. I'm like, dang, dude, that's a lot to put in a vehicle really fast. Can we just get a break in the New Year's? It's getting all slow, right? Like and smash the button, guys, if you haven't already, and you want to follow and check out some fire content. Check out Trade Intuition Joe. He's always helped scaling everybody up in the YouTube space, trying to boost the algorithm. He's a good guy. What's up, Gambit? If only mechanics also engineered vehicle design, none of this shit would be difficult to reach. LO, dude, you're telling me. I was doing what was I doing? I was working on something on her car. I did like a multitask thing I was doing on a car. What was I was replacing? What the hell was I replacing? It was something on the engine. It was broken. I did 3 things that day. I did my drive shaft, drive axle, or driver's side axle. Then I did, what the hell did I do on her car? That was my car. Frick, I don't remember, but whatever it was, I watched a YouTube on it. It had something to do with draining the coolant. I had to get my hands in there and take some other stuff out because I remember having to drain the coolant, but I got in there and I was watching the YouTube video. Like, okay, this should be simple. I got 2 bolts left. That's all I got in this problem. Like, it went way smoother than I thought. And I went to go like get my tool in there. Like, how the hell did you do this? I went back, watched the video. I'm like, wait a minute. He removed the part that he didn't show how he did it on the video. I'm like, what? He's cheating, man. You didn't tell me how he removed that part, which obviously it's only 1 screw, right? But it was like, how did he get access in there? What the hell was I doing, man? I was doing something, but yeah. Let's get it, man. Let's check out the news. Actually, we gotta head on over to X. I gotta wiggle my way around StreamYard real quick. No trend today. You know, he actually stayed home from youth group too, because he just really is sick, man. He's dying over there, coughing up a lung or something like that. I'm gonna add this to stage. I don't quite know where I'm at. I did actually want to play this XRP segment. I saw All in Crypto play it today, and I was like, dang it, I saved that yesterday and I forgot to play it. So, you know, let's check it out. I think this is my only video segment I have.
Hottest crypto trade of the year is not Bitcoin. It is not Ether. It is XRP, the coin formerly known as Ripple, soaring more than 20% this year, becoming the 3rd largest cryptocurrency out there. And there's big money behind this trade. Mackenzie Sagalos joins us now with that XRP trade and what, Mac, is driving all of this interest in XRP. Hottest crypto.
You know, maybe we should go a little bit more in depth, but it's nice to see on CNBC that XRP is the hottest crypto of the year. That is right, Pepe. It's not Pepe. Who does more trading volume? It's XRP. Yes, it does. But I do think this clip's probably taking a little out of segment. And I'll have to do a little bit more in-depth dive later. So you just have to grin and bear it, man. I know, right? It's usually what it is. When mainstream says something, buy it, and you don't buy it, that's too late. But that's when Jim Cramer says it, okay? This is CNBC. They're a far more trusted outlet than Jim Cramer. Boomer Bagcoin. Dude, I love them Bagcoins, man. They're my best performers so far. I want to shout out some Crow, some CRO, man. Chris said they partnered up with Stripe, so let's freaking go with that. Stripe payments. And then we got Polymarket partnered up with Dow Jones and Wall Street Journal by Watchagoo. The prediction market announced exclusive partnership. Let's go. We got some Crypto Crow in there for you guys tonight and ADA holders. Guys, check out Crow. We have Crypto.com, another partnership with Link. Actually, dude, they're partnering up with so many people. I'm not going to lie. I can't keep up with all tentacles are spreading out so far. Crypto.com exchange is integrated with Link Network settlements with the first transaction successfully completed. Institutional clients can now fund their crypto exchange accounts directly through Link real-time settlement framework. Settlement on and off ramp, transparent on-chain workflows, more capital efficient funding. Let's freaking go. Crypto.com. That's kind of it over there. I mean, we can head over to Cointelegraph. I don't know if they have anything. I mean, we could probably read this one if anybody's interested about Ripple. It's been a while since I've heard about this. Ripple plans to remain a private company, president says. The president. Ripple Labs president Monica Long has pushed back against speculation that the company is preparing for initial public offering, says it plans to remain privately held for now. In an interview, Bloomberg Long addresses rumors that Ripple has considered an IPO after reportedly reaching $40 billion in valuation last year. Currently, we plan to remain private, Long said. Often the strategy driving an IPO is access to investors and liquidity in public markets. We're in a really healthy position to continue funding and investing in the company's growth without going public. Hey, maybe that's probably a good thing too. As speculation about an IPO intensifies after the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission closed its enforcement against Ripple in March last year. Amid signs a more favorable regulatory environment for digital asset companies. Since then, Ripple has secured an additional $500 million in revenue funding, valuing the company at $40 billion. Oh, there you go. Barclays makes its first stablecoin investment stake in UBYX. Dude, I don't even know either of those companies, what they do. I don't even what type of stablecoin is UBYX. I don't know. If you guys might know this, you have to let me know. Barclays, one of the world's largest banks, I guess it's a bank, so there you go. I don't know how I didn't know it, but I guess I didn't know it. Barclays, one of the largest banks systematically imported global financial institutions, has made its first investment stablecoin related company. I'm not reading that whole thing. I'm just not. Relief for strategy keeps crypto treasuries indexes. Well, you know what, guys? Their strategy. There we go. Whoop, we go up. We're doing great. I did hear Tom Lee is doing the same thing with his bit mining company. He has 500 million shares right now, and he's supposedly, this is where I've heard from, I think it was George actually, it might have been All in Crypto, that they're going to 500 million to 50 billion, although that's what they're asking for, so they can keep their investment strategy going for Ethereum long term. So there we go. Jump over to CoinGlass. Head over the comments. Going to look, absolutely Zerka. Oh, come on, Daniel Coffin. Why do you have to say bad words? I'll go over Dash for you, but you gotta apologize again, and I'll cover Dash. It's okay, Trade. He's like this. He's just excited. He's down a lot, and I would like to try to help this kid out, but he's just trying to not talk nasty talk, man. Don't do nasty talk, you know. That's my biggest peeve, man. Is like, don't talk about negative about my God, the God, and don't talk about, dude, just don't be nasty, man. Like, I understand like swearing and stuff like that. I do that all the time, but just that nasty stuff is what gets me, man. Sorry about that, Joe. Where am I going? We wanted to cover CoinGlass. That's what I was doing. Daniel, you derailed my train of thought. You're slowing me down. CoinGlass. You know, I did want to take a look at the token unlocks too. And then we're going to cover the ETFs. So we'll cover biggest gainers and losers. Any unlocks happening that are in the immediate future. Linear. I remember Linear. I think that's a layer too, but I could totally be wrong on that. I just remember hearing it. Gods Unchained. They were up on the top gainers yesterday. They're down negative 7% today, and they have a 1.6% of the total market cap being unlocked on the 10th, which is 3 days. Karate. G7. That sounds like a meme coin. When is the G7 meeting supposed to happen? I don't know. Nero, another meme coin. Nero, nothing super prominent in the immediate future besides Linear. We're going to head on Uber. Excuse me. Bitcoin, ETFs, guys, did we have a positive day or a negative day? Ooh, net outflow today. Also, Grayscale dumping 15 million worth of Bitcoin. Fidelity sold 250 million worth of Bitcoin. Arkham sold 50 million worth of Bitcoin. We have a BitB sold 40 million. HODL sold 11 million. Total outflow today of $356 million, man. The institutions are just selling it as fast as they can, dude, right now. Holy cow, they're just dumping on everybody's heads. Why, institutions? Do we have back-to-back days? I wonder if they slung any of that Bitcoin into ETH. Is it Hong Kong? There's a Hong Kong one here now. Wow, the Hong Kong one's so tiny. Very, very small. I wanted to take a peek. Okay. Let's take a look at, how do I go back? I usually do that little trick, but apparently I can't do that with the Hong Kong one. Okay, take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum also had an outflow today too, a pretty heavy one too. Almost 100 million outflow. We have 65 million outflow from Grayscale. We have Bitwise selling 11 million, which is interesting because they bought 1.4 yesterday. They sell a lot today, which, you know, that just means that they just took a loss in what they bought yesterday. Where am I at? Where am I at? Where am I at? Ethereum spot net outflow. Nasty outflow today on ETH. We'll check out Solana. Bitwise, only Bitwise. How's the inflow today? They bought some Solana today. I don't know what the price of Solana is. You might have to take a look at that. They bought very small amount, 2 million. Good for them. My favorite, XRP, man. We got going on? XRP. Oh, wait, what? Total. This doesn't make any sense. That's not right. How we have negative 40 million when nobody sold? It's not showing. What? Why? What is going on? Now it's at negative 17. Wait. 40. I don't know. We might have to come take a look at this one because we've only had one person sell. That was Canary, and they sold 600,000, 1.1 million, 1.2. And it's the only time they've ever sold. So for the fact that it's showing a negative outflow today doesn't make any sense to me. Especially because the math doesn't even math up right. Until I know more about this, I'll have to come back tomorrow and take a peek. And maybe it is an outflow. Which would be fun because, you know, CNBC was talking about it. Grayscale bought 1.7, Bitwise bought 2.5, and Canary Capital bought $2.32 million worth of XRP. That's all I know. I can't tell you why the other number doesn't make any sense to me. Shoot. Biggest gainers and losers today. It's kind of a dull day. Oh, yeah. Pepe. Yeah, I was going to tell you, you know, I shorted the market today, you know, pretty freaking early, and I'm feeling pretty good about that. I actually have a fat short on one of these coins in the market. So I'm hoping it dumps, man. We'll see. I was talking to Trent about it. Trent's like, I don't know. I was like, I don't know if I would short. I'm like, I'm shorting the crap out of it. It's going to zero. Gun's up again today, man. Gun was a top gainer yesterday. It was with the gaming narrative. White Whale up to 10 cents. Let's go, White Whale. Anybody who got in at White Whale. Woo! Look at it go. We were talking about this when it was like $1 million market cap. Tycoon up again. That's a Tycoon game. We have Onyx Coin up another 10% after being listed on Robinhood. Let's go, Onyx. Bless is starting to make some moves. Trent loves that coin. Golem. I haven't thought of Golem in forever. We come over the top losers. We have Coma, Jelly My Jelly, River was top gainer yesterday. So is Monad, new layer 1, top gainer. IP's dumping. Virtuals Protocols dumping 10%. Pump Fund dumping 11%. Farcoin dumping 11%. All these memes are dumping right now, guys. Pippin dumping another 13%. Pippin was down like 40% yesterday. It was thinking wild. What's the next narrative to pop up? Frick, I don't know, man. I was hoping you guys would tell me. Next narrative. I don't know, probably a meme coin named after like ice or something like that. Well, that woman who was shot. I don't know her name. Shot and killed. Start a poll. What is the next narrative to pop off? Question mark. We'll go meme. We'll go. I don't know. What do you guys want to do for the next ones? Meme, layer ones. Here's your polls. Let's see. Heck yeah, Deezy. I saw that. I was saying that when you talked about it in the chat, I went to go take a look to see if I can make a scalp trade, and I wasn't overly thrilled with if I saw a continuation or not. Maybe it's pumped since then, but I was like, I'm going to back off it for a little bit, let it kind of breathe. Bitcoin's coming down. We're at the 200 on the 1 hour. Oh, shoot. I got to jump over here. 1 hour, we're touching the 200 right here. Unless that's something I drew. Nope, I didn't draw that. Did I draw that? I did draw that line, though. Why did I draw that line for? Oh, man, I don't want to delete that. That was great evidence we were looking at. Remember, I drew all those fancy numbers. Oh, we're just going to pretend it doesn't exist, okay? I might have deleted it. Does? Okay, I got to delete everything. Dang it. I'll come back. It does kind of look like a cup and handle kind of swinging in, swing down. You got the little handle coming, bouncing off the 50. Could get a pump off this. The 1 hour, I don't know. 1 hour, the money flow is still kind of breaching down. Stokes are sign strength are coming down. VWAP's coming down. It wants to, I hope it doesn't fall through the 200, but it does kind of look like it wants to. We could create a double bottom. Oh, what's the 15 minute say? We'll zoom in. We'll really zoom in. 15 minutes says we can keep going lower. And we got 6 minutes to go. And we have to see. Oh, 6 minutes to go on the 1 hour also. 4 hour? 6 minutes to go. Oh, look at that. We all line up. Isn't that funny how that all works sometimes? 6 hours still shows pressure to the downside. But it might get a little bit of relief rally with the VWAP starting to give some curvature in there. 12 hours still shows more to go down. Now we're going down. We're going down harder. I don't know how much harder. I just know we will. Daily, we also got the red dot on the daily saying we're going to come down. Interesting. Ugh. Excuse me. Are we spent, man? Is this wave played out? Is that all we're going to get out of it on the 2-day? In a lower high. We might come back and retest the 21 at 89,500. 3-day, we don't get close on 3-day. It kind of wants to make a maybe inverted head and shoulder pattern going on. A little baby one. Whoop. To 97,000, which was our original target we thought we might go to. We still got a little bit of momentum on the 3-day. Hasn't fully given up yet. We are bouncing off the 21. It's just kind of iffy. 5-day, momentum still looks fine. We have 2 more days to tell. Let's look at that. Let's look at its lips at that 99,000th level on the week 5-day. Let's take a look at THQ. We're just kind of scrolling around, guys. I'm gonna be jumping. I gotta get in bed sooner, man. I'm so wiped. Just been dying right now. Oh, dude, Elliott trade is 100% a part of Super. I'm pretty sure Becker is too. 100%. Oh, what's THQ? Oh, yeah, I did have one more rally up today. Nice. Look at that. Look at that, baby. Woo! Man, I'm excited, dude. Look at that, dude. Woo, that's pretty. Yeah, man. Of course I'm going to do this. It was such a hot coin today. I came in and looked at it earlier when you called it, and I think I saw it up over here in the chat. And then I was watching, I saw the red dot come up, and I was like, you know what? I was literally on the 15-minute when we were looking at this, and I was like, dude, I'm gonna chill out a little bit. I'm like, I think it might be oversold. I'll see where it goes. And sure enough, man, I think I talked to you like an hour and a half, 2 hours later, and we were down over here. Like, yeah. I'm like, it still doesn't look like it's done yet. We're gonna come back out. I haven't looked at it since. So we ended up coming down. We came to the 50. Got a little bit of curvature, you know, a little bit of curvature, a little bit more curvature. We got the doji candle, trend reversal approaching. We got the green dot. We knew we could put a safer long in. We longed it. Boom, you come up. We almost created like a double top. It's a really scary kind of pattern to be in. Gave it like some of it back. And we just kind of slowly started working its leg up. Red dot ended up being a fake out. Wow, that's pretty interesting. Usually those don't fake out on the top. And the green dots usually tend to be weaker when they're above the zero line. But look at that, man. It gave up another beautiful leg, and we came back down with doing a ritual thing. We're retesting this area of support. We got some curvature coming in. It might do another leg up, man. I guess this is the leg that's gonna be. We're watching to see if we actually get another run up. If we could bounce off it, we create a higher high, great. We know we can keep going. Create a lower high, then it's like a swing down to probably a swing up bearish divergence, take some profits off the table. I mean, it's been heated up. Money flow is picking up, man. It is kind of picking up. It's not like it was outflow over here. It's not super thick, but it is slowly snowballing it into it. VWAP might be a little bit more bearish to the downside. 4 hour shows more possibly more continuation. So what we're just talking about, like on the 15-minute, it really kind of depends like the next hour or two looks like for it, if we can actually continue moving up, because the 4 hours showing signals that it can continue. It's late at night. It could be done, man. It could be done. Where are we at? We came up to this level of resistance. We actually got rejected off this level. Yeah, but man, you made some good gains on that. I don't know. It could be done. It could put out more. What's the 6 hour say? It does get a little bit of curvature. I don't know. I would probably take my money and wait for a better entry point. That's what I would do. But it could leg up again, man. It could head up to where you were thinking, like up to this 0.68, and then there's freaking the sky's the limit. I'd be surprised if it breaks above this, though. Now I see that this is like this main area of support. It's not that old. It's just not. If it had more levels above it, I'd be like, let's break up and go to the next level. What's the odds of the next level? There's no next level. We'll jump back into hype. Let's take a look at hype again. Then we might be able to look at dash. Actually, maybe it's dash right here. I might look at dash if it's right here real quick. Dash. What's up, DNRU? What's cracking, guys? You guys tired? Man, I'm freaking tired, dude, today. I was talking on the phone. Like, it feels like my eyes got rubbed with bubbles made of sandpaper. Freaking my eyeballs feel like piss holes in the snow. Frick. Oh, 1 hour. Dude, I think this could be a fake out, man. Maybe it legs down a little bit, but it looks like we're definitely in the upward trend on dash on the 1 hour. Momentum coming in. Yeah, I don't know, man. I wouldn't be buying dash. I mean, this is where I might be buying it, not what peak was, what Daniel was at. Ooh, look at that candle just closed. We're looking at the 4 hour too. We're below the 200. That's just no good, man. It's no good. We did tell Daniel about this inverted head and shoulder pattern. That played up beautifully. And then we talked about possible cup and handy. Broke the 200. It was Dunzo. It looks like it too. It wants to pop back down, almost Bart Simpson, give it all back up. Possibly $38 on the table for a dash. 12 hours still looks nasty, man. Cat ears, dude. Daniel got Coffin got cat eared. 1 ear, 2 ear, straight down. Look at it, dude. You can't tell me this doesn't look. You got the cat ear pattern coming on in. Woof. I mean, that's clear as day, dude. I think it's going to come down lower. Cat earing it hard. I don't know how I didn't notice that before. I guess that was because we're on the 12 hours. This 1-2 didn't exist, but I should have had the foresight. Maybe I did see it. I didn't see it. I'll buy a dash or deal sells. Yeah, right. That's what we're all gonna do. Bart Simpson special. I don't know if it Bart Simpson, but definitely cat eared bad, bro. Nasty. It was hyper at. I mean, the whole market kind of looks kind of lousy today. That's where I have a short in. I'm shorting Floki actually right now, and I'm up a pretty good percent. I'm like, yes. I really wanted to be a DJ and just throw a stat amount on it and just be like high leverage. I'm like, just crank him like that. Tone it back, man. Can't do that anymore. You just slow and steady wins the race, man. It looks like it's going down more in the 1 hour. Open doors to the downside. Almost trigger wave to the downside. Money flow still outflowing. Coming down to the 200. Hope we don't go below it. 4 hour. 4 hour looks like it's going down more too. Haven't quite get the curvature yet. It actually looks a little bit of manipulation coming on in here. We might come to the 50. And when I say we might be getting manipulation, I don't like how this candle's being pushed down at the same time. I don't know, maybe not. I feel like we're getting a lot of curvature. We're trying to get that green dot right here, but it doesn't look like it's getting it. It looks like it's being forced lower. Yeah, the whole market was definitely off, but not THQ. I got lucky with THQ pump. No, you didn't get lucky, bro. You saw it coming. Ha, the pump shall come at some point, hopefully within our lifetime. Dude, tell me about it, Dina. You tell me about it. You got the cat ears inversion right here, dude. Tell me this does not look like the exact opposite of of Dash, bro. Look at it, dude. You got the cat ears. I just put the chart upside down. It totally looks like the opposite. Oh my goodness. You got the cat ear. Boop, boop. You can even say over here. Boop, boop. That's too funny, man. You start looking at the charts, they all look the same. 4 hour looks bad on hyper. I definitely think we're going lower. Scalp some tokens tonight and keep you all posted. Hey, absolutely, man. Yeah, I think it's going lower. The 21 actually wants to curve up, but I don't know, man. That 4 and 12 that looks so nasty. It looks so nasty. Rejection off the 21 too on 1 day, 2 day. It looked so good like 3 or 4 days ago. Like, what the hell happened? Let's take a look at Floki too. Where's Floki at? Floki's up. When I started this whole little meme segment over here, it literally I named it meme right here. And then I just I needed space to add stuff. And I was like, I don't know where to put all these other random alts. I just kind of stuck them in there. And then I need to rename that folder. Loki. That's the 1 hour. Bam, 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 bam. Let's look at Floki, guys. I threw a short in like right up here. I was like, dude, yes. Actually, I take it back. I threw a short in right up over here. Nope. Wait, how many hours am I back? I did this today. I think it was this candle because I was watching it. We had the high. We have a high. We got maybe it was this candle. No. It had to be this candle. This has to be within the same day. It was 26. Wait, which day is the 7th, 6th? Yes, the 7th. Okay, cool. It was over here, guys. I threw a short in right here, and I'm just like, yes, nailed it. We got a little rejection off that 100, dude. I think it's going lower, bro. Especially look at the 4 hour, dude. Look at this 4 hour. I was like, dude, that's a total head and shoulder pattern, bro. I was like, dude, I would bet the farm on this. That's what I called Trent. I was like, Trent, I'd bet the farm. I'm like, dude, it's gonna come right back down to this level right here. That's what I'm thinking. I'm eyeballing maybe it could go even back all the way back down. I don't know, but I'm eyeballing this level right here. I was like, dude, this is coming down. And then I think that told me inverted head and not inverted, regular head and shoulder pattern. As I look at the money flow and I like watch this, guys. I mean, peaked right here, and I was like, dude, it's heading straight down, bro. I was like, you could Lux algo that right into the short, man. Boom. Trust looks decent. Trust doesn't like the Trust wallet token. VWAP kind of wants to get a little bit of curvature. It does kind of want to get a little curvature. But I might just keep it open, man, all night long, baby. All night long. Make some of my gains back from shorting Pepe last week. Oh. 12 hour also looks like it has more to give, bro. Look at the 12 hour. That's another reason why I put that short in, dude. It's like bam, bam, rejection off the 200. I was like, boom, drop the ball in there, dude. Make the money, guys. That's where the gains come from. You find them trades. And I saw this fat leg up, dude, and the whole market was dipping. I was like, dude, this is the time we make gains in the market. You all know that looks pretty, right? It's not just me. You said Trust looks decent. What the heck is Trust? Are you talking about like the Trust wallet? You talking about Trust wallet, TWT? It does kind of look decent. Use your highs, there's low highs, there's low highs. Money's coming back down. Probably come back up to this area on the weekly. You know what looks good? What's NYX? I was just looking at that. Maybe we should take a look at NYX. This might be pretty good too. Cat ears, possible cat ear pattern. Also, I see a shoulder, head, and shoulder pattern right here on the daily. Could be coming back down to $3. Could be like a 50% drop. All right, let's take a look at Trust. Why did I just get zoomed out? Share tab instead. We'll pull up Trust. Then we'll pull up. Then we're gonna pull up NYX. I don't even think I have this on here. What the hell did I look at this before? Oh my goodness, I do have Trust in here. Guys, check out this segment. It's my favorite one. Bada bing, bada boom. BitFi, guys. If you're looking for a partner exchange that has a beautiful user face, check out BitFi. No KYC, no VPN. Save 20% with our link using on your trading fees. So, you know, we have an event running right now. It's not a deposit bonus. It's a volume based. If you could do 1 million and 5 million, you can get anywhere between $129 to $330. If you do 20 million, 50 million, 100 million, hit me up on X. I'll reach out to a vendor over there in BitFi and see if we could get you also some better gifts. We can't do that for everybody. We're very limited slots, but I would love to do that for somebody. And you get anywhere between $800, $2,500, and $10,000. Now, if you think that's cool, we also have a second partner that we have, partner of choice, and that's BTCC. And we're running an event right now at BTCC where you just create an account. They'll send you $100 to trade with. It's a coupon, can't withdraw it, but you go trade it. Buy it, leverage, whatever you want to do, go leverage it on THQ on a short to the downside. I don't know. Go have fun with it. You also save 40% with your trading fees with our link. No KYC, no VPN. Check out BTCC, guys. Help support the channel. Man, it really does help support us, dude. Especially in these tough times right now. We all trying to out here do the grind. If you do sign up, I gotta move some stuff around. Sorry, I'm just kind of rambling. If you do sign up, check out the Discord. You also can find that in the description. It's $2.99 a month, or you can hit us up on the next one. We'll get you in for free. It's a couple of different ways to support the channel. You get access to let's hit up the general chat. You get access to the general chat where Trent's in here. Baby Toshi is in there. Toshi was talking about this trade. THQ is finally taking off, guys. Check out Muffhead in his Orthodox church. And we got Christ is Born, old school calendar. Didn't even know they have celebrated that today. We have John talking about Zabek and, talking about gains, and we're all trying to be here and do our thing. We also have swing signals that come in from the top. They're aggregated from the top ROI traders over at BitFi. And they also give you entry points like this one over here for Jasmine. Actually, I wanted to kind of know if this one played out because I was thinking about taking it. I decided not to at the last minute. But it gives you an area entry between 007233 and 007, which not a lot of people offer that. Bullish setup. Take profit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bro, 8, 5, 9, 2, 9, 8, 10, 10. The stop loss is 6, 6, 7. I would cater a little bit off from the stop loss so you don't all get have the liquidity bundled up into one spot. And you also get scalp signals too. Here was an 8 along from the other day. We also got market analysis, which they cover other setups that they are offering: Sol, support resistance, ETH support resistance, ADA, and why BTC dominance is looking how it is. Did you guys see Bitwise filed for a chain link spot ETF? I was gonna Upside in the X account, I totally spaced it, man. I totally dropped the ball on that. I thought I showed it on Twitter, but I didn't see it. But anyways, yeah, guys, check out the Discord too, and we'll head back over, check out the charts, figure out what we got going for us. Bada bing, bada boom. Bada bing, bada boom. I held most of our audience doing that entire thing. Very nice, man. MYX. Yeah, we might take a look at MYX. Well, I'm on Trust now. I did a 1 hour. 1 hour, we broke above. It looks like it might continue pumping. Possible anyway. Stokes so low. Wow, that's got a weird freaking pattern. Lower lows and not lower highs. Kind of sloppy inverted head and shoulder pattern. I don't know if you could call it that. Stokes so low, strengths plateau. Hasn't rolled over yet. Man, it's getting close. VWAP coming down. Oh, look at that. It could keep going. DZ, look at that. We have a very tight trigger wave coming in right there, man. What's the 12 hours say? 12 hours says, I'm trying to decide if I was going to long this on the 4 hour. The 4 hour looks good. It has a doji candle trend reversal, though, of the previous trend with the momentum coming down, strength coming down. But the money float looks beautiful. I'm like, dude, I kind of like this. I don't know, man. I'd probably be looking for area entry. What's the 1 hour saying? Dude, this looking kind of nice to me. Green dot. Yeah, I'd be looking for a long on Trust. Play the 15-minute and the 4 hour together. But it might be a scalp though, because the 12 hour is not overly on my side. I want to see more data come out. The 15-minute and 4 hour can keep the momentum going. Or it's going to Bart Simpson. Look at the 5 minute. Oh my gosh. Money flow still good though. That's a risk. That's kind of risky. It shows like it could keep going up. It's kind of risky. Kind of risky. It might come back down one more time, then go. Yeah, see it flipped red to green. It's trying to figure out what it wants to do too. It kind of gets the rounded bottom though. What did I say? MYX. Let's take a look at MYX. I don't know, man. How I feel about Trust Wallet. You had a fat area of resistance right here. What the hell happened on the daily? Dude, look at that God candle. Oh my gosh, that can't be real. There's no way this candle is real. There has to be some sort of manipulation. It's straight to $1 even. Like, come on. Nothing just goes to $1 and stops. You want to drop 20K on it? Dude, you wild, boy. You wild. It does kind of look like rounded bottom though on the daily. You might hit it. I think there's better charts out there. I want to take a look at MYX. I mean, granted, it is up a little bit. Kind of reset though on the daily. What's the 1 hour say? Come down to the 200. We have a fat green candle. It just freaking lights up, man. Try to get in on that one. You can't really tell though which one you wanted to get in on without changing the time frames. Right, we go monster money flow to outflow. Now we're in some money flow right here. Well, above the 200, above the 21. We have higher high. Cup and handle. Momentum going to the downside though. 4 hour looks like it could keep going. It does look like it keep going. Either that or the money flow is tippering off, and that's it. But we kind of got the rounded bottom. We're challenging the 21. We didn't. I guess we challenged it also. An hour ago. Didn't break above. Didn't break through it. But we are kind of slowly trending above it. Like we might get above it right here. What's the 6 hour at? Oh, look at that anchor trigger wave. Oh, this looks good, dude. You don't leverage it, just spot? Well, maybe. But dude, this looks good, man. Look at the money flow, dude. The little trigger wave right there, rounded momentum still looks good. Yeah, get it, dude. I like that 6 hour. 8 hour don't look half bad either. That tight trigger wave right there, money flows thick, dude. This looks like, and we bounce it off the 21. This looks good. This looks good. Though that being said, it's one of those Chinese ones, what a crypto face would call it, and he doesn't trust them. So, you know, take it at your will. Quite small market cap, easily manipulated. Oh, 12-hour. 12-hour also is getting around the bottom of the momentum. 36 to 34. We're getting close to a possible another leg up. Honky. Could also be a good short too on the 12-hour. Look at that, dropping like Pepe, not Pepe, but a Floki. Dropping like Floki, man. This could be a good short too. I kind of like this one. Look at that. Just wants to dump, man. Oof. Money flow, it's just beat down, dude. And it's below all it supports. I might short Floki tonight. On a Ponky 4-hour, dude. Look at support. It's just coming down, dog. Oh, look at the money flow too. Woof, straight down. 12 out, 200 MA still has a little more to give, man. Money flow has been coming in, but it's probably coming out of that 200. The daily looks nasty too. Oof. I don't like that red dot on the daily. Oh man, what's Pengu doing? Checking out the memes, the meme coins. People think meme season and Leo 1s are next to pop off. Money flow has been coming down. This shows you things can pump when even the money flow is coming down. But I think that's the start of a trend reversal is what you're getting. It's running out of steam, 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 and it just starts coming down. It starts snowpiling. 4-hour on Pengu also looks like it's coming down. Though it does have a lot more support around this 50 MA moving average. That's where it might end up. Where all the other memes might end up too. 12-hour looks like it's coming down. Everything looks kind of like it's going to come down like half the day tomorrow. Toshi. We got going for Toshi. Toshi's been coming down too. All the memes look the same. I gotta get off the memes. What do I want to look at now? FTT token. Oof, look at that. That's a nice bump. Sam Bankman-Fried FTX token. That's out to 200. Make it or break it. Momentum still pushing down. 4-hour pushing down through the 50. Ooh. I feel like I scalp trade in here. Dude, the whole market looks nice. It's short. You know that coin you were talking about yesterday, Brev. We were talking about this at the very top, man. Very top yesterday. Almost no data to go off of. You're at its last. It's at its last support it created between yesterday and today. Money flow looks like it could be bottomed. We have a red dot right on the 15-minute, 5-minute. It's that support. I would expect a move right here. I don't know how big a move, but it does look like it should give you something. Should put out a little bit. Render also is coming down. Look at the money flow. Beep, 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 beep. Looks like it's the start of the trend reversal. Right there was the start of the trend reversal. Rejection, rejection, rejection. You know, bull flag, rejection. 4-hour, we breaking through the 21. Rejection, money flow coming down, dude. Coming down, dog. I might put a short on Render too. Render looks like a short. The whole market looks short, man. The whole market looks pithy. All right, guys. I'm gonna go to sleep a little early tonight. I'm sorry. I'm just beat. MYX or Trust? Which one is more bullish? MYX or Trust? I would probably feel MYX, though I had been burned trading MYX before. Trust makes me a little nervous, man. I mean, like, how do you really feel about it? Like, do you have conviction what you're buying? Do you really feel like it's going to continue going down? Then you go for it, man. The whole, what I do like about Trust is I really like the 4 hour. Has a good little trigger wave on there. Rejection off the 200. That's nice, man. You get the little green dot. Money flow is not super in your favor on the 4 hour. 6 hour. Oh man, it looks kind of gross to me on the 6 hour. Like it needs some redeeming qualities. And the 12 hour, it's kind of like, we legged up. Are we going to rejection and make another leg? Like, I feel like I missed half of the run. Where's MYX? I should have looked at Zebek tonight. Like the MYX looks like it's just about to roll over in the 4 hour. The money flows for sure better on MYX. The 6 hour looks so good too. The 4 hour doesn't look done. I don't know, man. I would probably go with MYX. That's what I'd probably do. It's a little bit more. I wouldn't put my whole bag in it though, because MYX is known to be shady and catch you. I mean, you have the double top right there. You could make the argument that was a cup and handle. It's a cup and handle, and then you got this little non-handle inconvenience right there. I would watch this 15-minute really closely, and I'd put a trade in on it. 5 minute hasn't quite rolled over yet. Maybe get anchor trigger wave. That could be the start of this whole hour-long process. What's up? I hate CCP. Welcome in, brother. Thanks for giving us another like. Dude, I'm just beat, man. I'm so tired, dude. So beat, man. I actually took, I had a 4-day weekend, and I stayed up too late and couldn't sleep when I was supposed to go to bed yesterday to get up at 4. Lack of sleep, man. And I try to be a really good dad, man. Like, all I want to do is rest my eyes. They hurt so bad. I hung out with all 3 of my boys. I played Halo with my oldest for an hour and a half, and my youngest, we have this little. He's only 5. He's just about 5. We have like a little air floaty, airbag, and I went and played with him with that for an hour, burned his energy out, and then I had my little 2-year-old running around, and I kept picking him up and tickling him and having a little fun, Just my time, tired, dude. Tired, man. And I give you guys the rest of my energy because you guys are my family. Yeah, we're streaming on Kick. We stream on it all, bro. I'll show you right here, right now. I always got all my windows up. Check it out. See, we're over here. I should press play on this one because it freezes when I jump around. Come on, press play. Why is it like freezing? So here's us on Rumble. We're over here on Rumble. You see the little Rumble green logo. Oh, yeah, it's up over here too. And then we got over here, we're on Kick. That's us on Kick, streaming. Dude, honestly, I don't know how to use Kick because I used to think like you could upload like your videos, but I think it itself is the video. Oh, weird. Look at that. It's like making 100,000 videos. So I can get off that. It's gonna drive me nuts. Whoop. Let me jump back over here. I just asking today, since I made an account to follow some other people and would love to follow you there. Yeah, man, you'd be the first brew crew over there following us that I know of that's on both YouTube and Kick. But I'm gonna buy MYX and I'll buy Trust and we'll see in the morning. Hey, yeah, we'll see. We shall see, man. You guys, just be safe, man. Be safe trading. It's a tricky market. Thanks for popping in and following us on multiple accounts. You're a solid gentleman. DZ, you're also a solid gentleman. Actually, all you guys are solid gentlemen. I'm not gonna lie, dude. And I appreciate each and every single one of you for coming in. DZ, I'm so happy you crushed it in THQ. I was loving to watch that trade. Wish I could have scalped it with you, but I was not in it. So we'll see. I'm in a nice short though. I am in a nice short, and I'm leveraging it. So whatever, man. I take that. God, I'm jealous of you having kids. That's a dream come true. Hey, man. When we all get to heaven, you don't have kids in heaven. We're all brothers and sisters, dude. Don't you worry. We're all family in the Lord. I pray for you to have kids. They're fun. And don't you worry, man. I've seen people pop out kids in Guinness Book of World Records in their 80s. I mean, look at Robert De Niro. He's still having him. He's like 83. I hate CCP. Thanks, brother. What is the name of your Kick account? It should be the same thing, to be honest with you. Yeah, Blockchain and Brew. Blockchain and Brew. I guess I should change it. It's the Blockchain and Brew. They're all kind of jumbled up, I guess. YOLO. YOLO, my molo. Joe, thanks for coming on in. Sorry, Daniel Kaufman was being saucy to you. He's a saucy person. You just have to just let him be saucy. You know, he needs God. Zerka, thank you for coming on in and being a lurker. Daniel Kaufman, you're always welcome. Well, you're always welcome, but we do block you too every now and again. Put your time out. Last Gambit, bro. Thank you for coming on in today, Last Gambit. Always nice seeing friendly faces that we haven't seen in a minute. Dress is popping off. It is not popping off. Don't you lie to me. Buffhead, thanks for coming on in. Vision Pulse, Fat Boy, aka the Pepe, coming on in. Dude, if I'm gonna look at this. If it's not popping off, I'm getting off. I'm gonna be irritated. I'm getting off anyways, but holy Nikes! It broke out the Bart Simpson. That's right. We were talking about the Bart Simpson. I was freaked out. Oh my gosh, Trust is popping off. Well, look at that, man. Maybe you should have bought that. My bad. I mean, it looked like a Bart Simpson like I've ever seen one. I've seen a lot play out not this way this last week. What caused that, man? A green dot right there. Was that green dot there previously? No, I guess it was. In the 15-minute. Yeah, I hope it keeps continuing pumping off too. You frick! I don't know what you saw that I didn't see, but frick, you were right, dude. The trigger wave right there, that little green dot. It could. Maybe you were right. Maybe we'll keep going. Shit, dude. Good for you, man. I still don't quite even understand why it's pumping. Besides the rejection off the 200. I mean, that was a nasty Bart Simpson to me. I don't know if it's gonna hold. I like to look at it tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see whose coin does better. You know, that looks pretty fucking good. At least for the start. It's this one. It's right here. Right here. It says on the bottom right here. It's gonna do like a gajillion things. Blockchain and Brew. We have 52 kickers over there. You got MYX. I got Trust. Yes, do it, baby. Let's do it. See you can pull off that W. All right, guys. Be blessed, dude. Blockchain Brew is out. Thank you, each and every single one of you guys who popped in the community, who keeps us going. It's great, man, to be a family and going through this bear market and bull market together. It's such an eccentric market to be a part of. You know, last market when I first got into crypto, I never bought a thing before in my life. I bought Dogecoin, and the guy next to me in the Boeing 767 plane, and then we both hung out in the nose of the plane because that's where we were assigned to work. So it was just us. You really couldn't talk to anybody. And he said I was an idiot for liking Doge, dude. I crushed it on Doge. I crushed it, and he did great too. I think he retired and moved to the Philippines. He's the same age as me and married some lady over there. But I didn't have anybody listen to him, bro. I really didn't. Like, I just kind of figured out the market and just started studying the nose of the airplane, dude. Well, we both put headphones in. We both listened to crypto, and at lunch we would talk about what we learned. And I still keep in contact with him today. So, hey guys, be blessed. Peace. Whoa, Trent, you missed a fiery stream. Trust tokens lighting off. People in the comments are fire. Our community is growing in all areas. We are blessed and highly favored.